Wales, especially here in Wrexham, can't be better placed to locate a business. It's got everything you need.
Wales has a fast-growing fintech sector and a talent resource that can support it.
When you recruit, go out broadly and seek people, and it's really good to see that the majority of the workforce in North Wales is people from Anglesey with a local connection.
It's a fantastic place to live. You're by the sea, you've got the mountains, your quality of life is fantastic in North Wales. Having those industrial partners and the economic growth behind that is key to really the success in this area.
Apprentices, as they start their careers, being in the world of renewables and producing energy, doing something good for the planet.
Being centred in Wales, something that I didn't expect to be able to have was great work-life balance, be close to the mountains and nature that I love.